Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on our video. Today we're going to be talking about our renters into homeowner program. This is Marvin with Safe IRA Group over here in Sarasota, Florida at the headquarters. A little bit about us. We've been in business for over 20 years. We have properties all over Florida, north, central, south. The majority of our properties all qualify for the no money down program using the government's help in the form of their USDA loan. And then we're going to get a little bit into how we can help as a direct seller. Let's jump right into it, friends. Step one, we need to show up to the table with a 620 credit score, followed by proof of income. That comes in the form of a W-2 pay stub, or if you're a self-employed employee, that's 1099. 2 years of income if you're self-employed, friends. Third step is going to be the down payment scenario. Again, this is a no money down scenario using the government's help, okay? And then how we can help is with closing costs in the form of cash given directly to the buyer. So we have the government and direct seller help coming together to give you, our beautiful future homeowner, a brand new house. Our brand new construction, we have homes that are 5 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, call for inventory. But a quick little personal story. When I went to go buy my house, between down payment and closing costs, I had to beg, borrow, and steal. Friends, it cost me $15,000. Oh my Lord, no. What a party. But we're here to make this an almost no out of money experience for you. Make this as flawless as possible. And then you get to enjoy all of the homeownership benefits. Your rents won't go up. You're going to lock in your monthly payment. You get to build home equity. Your home will rise over time. You get tax reductions. And then you also get to build your credit, making those monthly payments on time. And not only to mention the peace of mind you get from walking into something that is yours. Friends, call today to make this happen. Marvin, Safe IRA Group, 941-350-6483. We love to connect. We love to answer any questions. We're here for you. All the best, friends. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.